Hi, this is Kristenpedia with Sunshine Review's free tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing portal pages and some of their basic elements. To get started, let's break down an existing portal page and what's successful about it. The first thing that you should notice is that this page is a little bit more graphically oriented than other wiki articles. The next thing that you should notice is that all the images on this page are clickable. Make sure you make it very usable and meet readers' expectations. More often than not, this is one of their first times visiting the wiki, and they have expectations that everything should be clickable and go to a page instead of an image page. Next, you should take a look and make sure you state the objective of your project. The objectives should be wide enough that they include a vast amount of set of articles, for example, birds, the history of flags, or for us, which is the My Government Website project, evaluating government websites according to our transparency checklist. There's over 3,000 counties, there's over 10,000 school districts. This is a very big project, and that's why it gets a portal page. Next, you're going to want to have some featured content. Featured content should be dynamic, and it should include how the portal is developing and be interesting. Sometimes you can highlight that information by maybe using a different color or putting a special icon by it in order to draw the eye. You're going to see here we have a featured article about our county evaluations and then the top 10 transparency states. The next thing that you're going to want to include is information that's important to the community that's developing these articles. So you can see here we have a league going, we have progress reports, and for fun we have some ridiculous postings on websites. And we also have the people that are getting perfect scores just to help motivate the users on this project. Next is the Get Involved tab. This is one of the most important tabs. If people are showing up to a portal page, it means that they have a great interest in that topic, and so the next step is to get them writing about it. So make sure you include very clear directions, 1, 2, 3, how they can become involved. Some other tips for our portals is to make sure you keep usability in mind. You want to meet readers' expectations. If images are usually in the right-hand side, then keep images to the right-hand side. If a featured content article is usually to the upper left side of a corner, then make sure you include it on that left side. Confusing readers is no way to get them involved. Another trick is to use these tabs. Now, in order to use these, you're going to have to install an extension, which is something in the CSS background of the site. But once it's installed, it's very easy to use these tabs. You just need to do one equal sign around your desired tab name, and then at the very bottom, within carets, write header tabs and a /. This is just some of the basic elements to get a portal started. My advice for you would be, first of all, to check out some of these design websites. We have a list here. And find a page that really appeals to you and model your portal page after that. Then, go ahead and try working with the code. Some of the code, though, is very complex, and if you would like to learn more about how to divide a page up, how to use tables in design formats, and other items like that can be very complicated, I'd advise you to join one of our Wednesday webinars. They're every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Central, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider a contribution to Sunshine Review. We have a lot of other tutorials available, and I hope you check them out. Thank you.